guys. These are the exact steps to get access to the range bars and signals directly to your phone from the Telegram group and our website. Remember, our system is the only one that works, and every other system will fail. As we've explained in many videos, you can check out our channel where we explain why our tried and tested system, which has been working for over 50 years of market data, is the only one that works, and you will guaranteed lose doing everything else in trading. There is no other way. In fact, if you forget about this and do something else, you will definitely lose in trading and come back to this either weeks, months, or even years later. We've seen it 1,000 times. So don't waste your time and do it right the first time. This is our YouTube channel. It's at JST Stream. So step one is register on tradexn.com or abado.com. This is the only way to make profit in trading, either through the chart fund trading program or building automated trading bots on abado.com. Make sure to get this step done first and get your account running. If you already know how to start practicing on demo right away, just go to either site and register your trading account by doing standard sign up and then accessing the platform. There are no fees, no hidden charges, no overnight interest fees on holding trades. All accounts are Islamic accounts, which means there's no fees. I repeat, all accounts are Islamic accounts. That's step one done. Next, you need to have a crypto wallet to store your funds. Actually, we've moved all of our funds to our crypto wallets since they're more secure that way than anything else. You can choose from any crypto wallets that are popular in your area or the ones your friends use, or you can choose from the list below this video of many trusted ones available. This is crucial to move your funds in and out of your account. Step 3, make sure you verify your account. Remember, you need to verify your crypto exchange account. It's identical to your bank account, so you want to keep it as safe as possible with your photo ID verified and everything else done for the highest security. This is known as KYC, or Know Your Client, and is mandatory on all platforms for transferring funds for your safety and the platforms. That same way that you verified your bank account with your photo ID or driver's license is how to get it done. Make sure you do that in your wallet account. Once you have your crypto account verified and ready, you can use it to transfer funds in and out of your trading account on Abado or TradeXN. This is where the actual trading is done. So far, you should understand that your crypto wallet is where you store your funds, like your bank account, and TradeXN or Abado are the actual trading platforms on which you transfer funds in and withdraw profits from. This brings us to step 4. Fund your trading account. Before we get into it, let me say one thing about why you need to use the platforms we offer and forget everything else you think you know. Remember, our system is the only one that works for a big reason, which is why the platforms that we use don't have any fees, overnight holding costs, interest charges, or any other hidden costs, making your trades truly the real market price as much as possible. This makes the biggest difference. You're set up for failure by using any other platform without even knowing it, because you have the wrong infrastructure. It's like playing golf with a tennis racket. You don't even know you're doing it wrong. Here's why. All other platforms charge at least $5 per share lot traded, and then additional fees. At the end of the year, let's say you did 1,000 trades, which doesn't seem like much. That's just like 3 a day. That ends up being 10K in losses just to fees. That's more than you were probably planning on making in the first place, even if you had a 20K account. That's 50% of your balance gone for nothing. And this is what people don't account for or even understand. The platforms we use don't have this after we spend all of our time looking for the best. We're always on the lookout for the lowest fee platforms, and these are the ones that are the best. Make sure you register there on abado.com or tradexn.com and get started right away. You can easily transfer in and out of your trading account, and it stays in your full control and only your control. Only you have access to this account, just like your bank account verified with your ID. Nobody else has access to your trading account or your wallet. The minimum account size to start using our system is $100 USD. This is because the lowest trade risk can be $1 in size. And to make sure that in percentage-based terms, That's just 1% of your account. There are people doing millions of dollars worth of risk every day, and that's just 1 to 2% of their account, which means they have hundreds of millions of dollars worth of capital when trading. So even though $100 is minimum, that is actually far below the actual margin required, which would be several thousand at least, since most markets have huge swings up and down daily. You get out what you put in. So the people making millions of dollars also have millions in their accounts. Trading is a percentage-based business. If you risk 1% on your balance and you have $100 in your account and your friend does the same 1% risk but has 1 million in his account, you'll be risking $1 on $100 and he'll be risking $10,000 on $1 million balance. This will be very straightforward as you trade and learn more. There's more about this in our videos that you can see on our channel about risk management and leverage trading. Another reason the minimum is $100 USD is because our system is completely for free. So we get thousands of logged in accounts on our servers accessing the range bars daily, and this runs up our server costs. To keep it clean and organized, and to also keep you on track and trading properly to be running your business effectively, the servers and system can only be accessed by live accounts. This gives us the peace of mind that we're only working with legitimate traders long term, and also help you stay organized and get started. Side note, you can fund your trading account with the $100 USD minimum and practice on demo once it's live, and you still have access to our systems and signals, but you'll quickly discover it's nothing like live trading. Demo just isn't real. I've personally never been on demo, and it's a fairly new thing in the internet era where people can trade on demo. So practice on demo as much as you want to understand, but just know that live trading is the only way to go. So here's how to deposit using your crypto account to your Abato or XN account.
Start by going to your personal area on the top right of the platform and click on Deposit from your account. Enter the amount and click Proceed. Make sure the amount entered matches the amount you will be transferring to avoid any delays. After clicking Continue Funding, you'll be directed to the deposit page where you can choose the type of cryptocurrency to send. For this example, let's select USDT. You'll then be provided with a QR code or a crypto wallet address for the transfer. Simply scan the QR code on your phone or copy the address and proceed to your crypto wallet. If you don't have a crypto wallet yet, you can register with various providers worldwide. Choose one that suits your needs. Once inside your crypto wallet, click Send and paste the wallet address. Ensure you select the same currency type that you initially selected. Then once you've confirmed your information, click Send. Once completed, the transfer will be processed to your account within 24 hours, but usually within a few minutes, depending on network times and other factors. You can see your balance update on both your account and the platform.
You can watch the video on how to deposit on our channel if you need to understand this again. Once your account is funded, contact the admin in the Telegram channel or JST support at support@justsimpletrading.com with a screenshot of your funded account to get access to the range bars and signals we use to trade daily. These will directly stream to your phone or other device. So the first thing that you're going to do is click the menu button. You can click contacts and then just message JST stream bot. You'll see that right here. We'll go ahead and click it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is click start right here at the bottom. Now, it gives you access to the menu here, which has all of these different functions such as access trading signals, our track record that you can view, our daily trades that we do, the trading platform links, training videos, the refer and earn program and explanation on how that works, the FAQ. You can chat with us if you have any questions. Now, what you'd want to do is click access trading signals. Now, here it gives you the exact steps on how to get started. So you would click register right here. It'll take you to the registration page on abato.com. Once you've completed registration, what you want to do is fund with at least $100 USD. Once you have done that and you have the funds in your trading account, you can then take a screenshot and click send screenshot, and it will send it directly to our admins. Once they review, they will give you access to the signals and range bars right away. Once active, here's how to use our system. Simply, once the Telegram signal appears, and says buy or sell, we take it in that direction and use the range bars for confirmation with the signal line on screen. So let's go to the trading platform. We're going to click Access Platform right here. Then we'll go to jststream.com to get access to the range bars. Click Login, click Continue with email if you already have an account, or click here to register now and log in. We'll go ahead and click Access. Now you can see the range bars are running on all of the different markets, so Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices, and we also have equities, so stocks. Now what we are going to be waiting for is the reversal on the range bars. And once we also see the signal in our Telegram channel, that is a confirmation for us to take that trade. So we'll just wait for the next signal to come, and then we will take a live example. So right here, we can see that Bitcoin is starting its reversal. So let's go to the Bitcoin pair right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to enter a short position. So I'm going to enter this sell trade right here. There we go. So now we can see our live trade right here. We're going to set our stop loss and take profit right away. So on Abato, it's very easy. We'll just click and drag our entry all the way up to $1,000 right there, and we're going to click and drag it down for our take profit. Remember, in a short position, profit is made when the market goes down, and the stop loss has to be set higher than our entry. In a long position, it's the opposite, so we would be setting our take profit higher and our stop loss below our entry. Now, once we've set our target and stops to 100 points on each side, we will just let it ride out. Of course, we can exit earlier in profit and consistently build our track record this way, but we usually wait. The risk we use is just 1% or less of our balance. This way, if the trade fails in the direction of the trend, we can conservatively slightly increase our risk to make more with less market movement. And guys, you can see we're already at around $700 in profit, and we just entered this trade. Now, these are expert strategies within an already working strategy that you can utilize and learn more from our videos, but those are the basics of our system. The signal comes, we take the trade, set our targets and stops, and repeat. We use the range bars to confirm the direction of the trend. As the trend is our friend, as the saying goes, we use the range bars to confirm the direction of the trend, since the system is built on them to provide an added edge of probability in our favor. There are various ways you can conservatively use our strategy. Check out our further trading videos to learn more if you want in-depth hours of understanding of how to trade and use the system and run your own trading business. But first, let's get started right away and message admin support once you've completed the steps. And guys, congratulations to everybody who took this trade. We just hit $1,000 in take profit. You guys saw exactly how we entered the trade, where we set our stops and targets, and we just hit our take profit. So remember guys, these are the steps. Step 1, get your TradeXN or Abato.com account. Step 2, get your crypto wallet account set up. Step 3, verify your crypto wallet account. Step 4, deposit into it with a minimum of $100 USDT. And step 5, message admin with your live account confirmation by email or Telegram. And step 6, start practicing trading using our system right away. Our live track record in the Telegram group has over $200,000 in profit using this over a year with our team. And we trade live daily doing the exact same thing. Our mission is to create the largest profitable trading community and eventually become a large-scale hedge fund. Let's get started right away. We'll see you soon. Guys, these are the exact steps to get access to the range bars and signals directly to your phone from the Telegram group and our website. Remember, our system is the only one that works, and every other system will fail. As we've explained in many videos, you can check out our channel where we explain why our tried and tested system, which has been working for over 50 years of market data, is the only one that works, and you will guaranteed lose doing everything else in trading. There is no other way. In fact, if you forget about this and do something else,